Hi, I'm Marty Sexton. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will share with you how to use the optional Polycom Pano app to share your PC screen and apps with Pano. The Pano app is available for a free download at polycom.com. After installing Polycom Pano, start the app from the toolbar. The app will allow you to share your screen immediately with Polycom Pano, or you can sign in with your Office 365 credentials and access your OneDrive for Business files for sharing purposes. For this video, we're going to focus on sharing your screen directly from your PC to Polycom Pano. Let's start by sharing an application. Select my Pano device, enter the PIN code shown on the large monitor, select my PowerPoint presentation, and it's immediately shown on the Pano connected monitor. To stop sharing content, press the red Stop button, or if you'd like to choose other content, press the blue Content button. To disconnect, press the red Disconnect. If you would like to save any snapshots taken during the collaborative session, press the Save icon in the lower right. To determine the drive's save location, sign out, select the gear icon, and the Save To location. From here, you can determine where to save the images. Thank you, and please join me for other informational videos about Polycom Pano and Pano app.